I followed my heart to Jakarta, Indonesia.
And then we follow the road to Bali, 10,000 kilometers apart.
Until we're not.
I'm Indonesian.
I'm German.
And this is what happens when a long-distance relationship finally gets Bali chapter.
We are in Ubud, Bali.
And we stay at the most stunning villa in a jungle.
Chased waterfalls in the north of Ubud that most tourists never even find.
Ate our way through some seriously underrated local food.
And did it all together, which, if you know our story, is kind of a big deal.
I'm Yariska.
I'm Julian, and welcome to our first video together. Our journey to Bali began in Jakarta, Indonesia, in the Equinox Tower, which was a high-rise apartment building in the 58th floor. So we packed our bags and then it was off to Bali. Ready to go. Let's go, Bali! Okay, we're leaving this amazing tower, but we will come back. So it's off to Bali. Yeah. Are you ready for Bali?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Nice fit, babe.
Yeah, of course. We got.
I look like always, but yeah.
I love you.
I love you. Yeah, welcome. Thank you for joining us along our journey to Bali. And if you want to find out what hidden gems we found in the north of Ubud, stay tuned. Is it good?
No, it's not. It's not okay. I hate you.
Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness.
Yes, this is man. This is the man. Oh, gentleman.
Yeah, and then we went through the immigration process at Jakarta airport, which meant a lot to Yariska because it was her first time using her passport. And after a quick coffee, we went to KFC. I said I didn't want to eat fast food anymore, but yeah, then we still went.
We can still hold it.
You bring it.
No, it's your food.
I have to make content. Then we were almost boarding already. Almost boarding. I think it begins when
I want to continue with this.
she needs to understand me, so
Male brain.
she has to read this. I
Male
told
brain.
her she has to read the female brain first
No.
because it's much more of a mystery. But she insisted on reading the male brain first.
Yes.
Almost boarding. Off to Bali. Let's go. Red light.
Why am so red? Is the result like this?
I'm also a bit red.
And bold.
Bald? You're not bald. Hey. So this is really cool. They have like on these domestic flights in Asia, they have like a prayer card with prayers for the journey, for a safe journey, and they have it for Islam, for Protestants, for Catholics, Hindus, and Buddhists, for all religions and 3 languages. And to say a prayer for the journey. This is really interesting. Pretty cool. Yeah, and seeing this footage really reminds me how how much this trip means to us, seeing each other after such a long time, separated in distance. Welcome to Bali, Indonesia. So after 3-hour rides, around 3 hours rides from the airport, we landed at Alam Ubud Resident Villa in North Ubud. And it was an amazing, luxurious place. How do you like it so far? We just arrived.
Love it.
That's amazing. It was very quiet there, the whole area around North Ubud. Because in the beginning we thought it was because of off-season or something. But once we came to Ubud Central, we quickly realized, no, it's still as crowded as last August. But it's just not as crowded up in the north, so it's really chill. Alam Ubud Villa Residence, the whole place is like a huge place where you can go down like a slope. It goes down into the jungle to a river with a lot of small villas that belong to the place where people can live. And our villa was amazing, right?
Yes, we have a huge villa.
Yeah. Welcome to Ubud Bali. This is Alaman Village.
Yeah.
Welcome to our crib. This is an amazing house. Let's go. I'm gonna show you around. We had a huge bedroom with a huge bathroom with like a bathtub and a nice shower and a balcony with amazing view over the jungle.
And private pool.
Yeah, and we had a private pool area, and yeah, it was pretty amazing. So we could just chill there and swim like however we wanted. This is a whole pool area just for us. Completely shielded off from everything. And it even comes with a shower. And yeah, here's also a little area where you can basically invite people over if you want to. Of course, we explored the place a bit.
Yeah.
This is the best place I've ever been to. Definitely. Yeah, the food there was really good. They had a restaurant downstairs, with next to a pool, and I would say it was a bit pricey, but the food was good, right?
Yes, they have a lot of kind of food, Indonesian food, especially Balinese food, and also Western. Looks so good.
It looks amazing. This also
Looks so healthy, babe.
What is it called again?
Gado-gado.
Gado. You know it from your hometown?
Yes.
Gado. And I forgot the name of mine.
Rendang.
But it's rendang because it's beef.
Yeah, it's beef.
Beef with rice and vegetables. Amazing. Enjoy, baby. Anyhow, was good food. We also liked there was like an old man playing like Balinese traditional music on like a traditional instrument.
Every morning, 7 to 10 a.m.
Yeah, like how old was he again?
90 years old.
Yeah, really old. Like she has a soft spot for old poor men. Yeah, the room was always clean. The service was impeccable. Like the people there were very friendly and nice. We never had any issues. They were super welcoming. Like they always greeted us every time we left the place and came back.
Yeah.
And
every morning people will greet you. Good morning.
Yes.
When they do cleaning.
Yes, they're very welcoming and friendly. It's like their service is really mind-blowing. And it's more on the pricier side in general. I bought it on discount, but we can highly recommend Alam Ubud Villa. And they also offer like a bunch of stuff like yoga classes and
cooking class, yoga class,
and yeah, and I don't know,
dance class, Balinese dance class.
Yeah, right, the Balinese dance class. Yeah, but we only attended the yoga class because we were only 4 nights there. Unfortunately, we didn't record the yoga class. But you ready for your yoga session? It was amazing. It created some inside jokes that kept us entertained for weeks to come. But yeah,
mind relax.
Exactly. So yeah, Alam Ubud Villa, highly recommend. And North Ubud. Our first spot in Ubud was Manuaba Waterfall. This was the first of many waterfalls we watched and like visited. And it was a good one, I would say.
Yeah, it's powerful.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Beautiful, and
we go down.
Yeah, we go down a really nice hike. It wasn't really hard. It was easy to find, but yeah, in the beginning we first saw like the small waterfall, and I kind of had to take a shower there, basically get undressed in bathing suits because it was so hot on that day. You remember?
Yeah.
Then we walked down and followed this river, passed through this, you know, kind of valley, like out of rock formations in this river, barefoot. And we just walked to the next waterfall because there was a construction, right?
Yeah, so the water is really brown.
Yeah, because one part of the whole trail was under maintenance by the time we were there. And so after we reached the second waterfall,
Oh my god, scary!
it was mind-blowing. Like, the video cameras cannot capture it, how powerful this thing was and felt, like with all the gusts coming in your face and the noise. And yeah, it was really, really impressive. You were scared that I shouldn't go closer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Yeah, because it's really...
Yeah, really strong. Yeah. Yeah, but I just had to do it and get as close as possible for a cool shot. And yeah, then we hiked back a little bit through the jungle. Just beautiful hike there. Then of course, this happened. Be careful.
Hey, Julian, be careful!
So afterwards we were kind of hungry, so we went to a restaurant close by to Pura Ubud Eco Park and Waterfall. And
It's really close to the waterfall. It's only a few meters, right?
yeah, it was just in walking distance basically. And it was this really cool, like steampunky designed, colorful, kind of Chinese restaurant with Chinese
No,
food.
They have two variation, Chinese and Westerns.
Yeah, right. They had two kind of restaurants there, like Chinese food and Western food, and we picked the Chinese food. What should we do, babe? Chinese or Western?
Chinese or Western?
Yeah.
You choose.
Then let's do Chinese. Yeah, we didn't have Chinese. I had amazing spare ribs. You
Yeah.
had?
I have noodles.
Yeah, Chinese noodles.
Noodles with pork. Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, it was really good. Like, the food was really amazing.
Mhm.
And also the toilets there looked like you're entering caves, which was really cool. So we liked the place.
Yeah.
But
Highly recommend it.
I'd recommend, but again, there was nobody there. Like, we really felt like, what is going on here in Bali this year? But yeah, it was cool.
I think this guy ran this whole area for
Mhm.
both of us.
Yeah, yeah. At this point, she was already thinking like I rented the island for her.
Are you
but-
rich?
Plot twist. So we just found out that her birthday is tomorrow, actually. After we already sent out birthday posts on Instagram, we sent my parents sent birthday messages because they thought her birthday is today. This is really embarrassing, babe. Like, how can you not know that your birthday is today
Oh my god.
or tomorrow? Oh my
We
god.
had to miss tomorrow, babe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama.
This is too funny. This is too funny. Okay, so the next stop was a temple that we visited close to Ubud. It was
Pura Gunung Kawi.
Pura Gunung Kawi, and it was just beautiful. It was just a typical Balinese temple. Looked really pretty. It had some koi fishes there. We had to wear these traditional clothing they give you.
Yes. Sarung.
Yeah, the sarung, Balinese clothing. They give you in every temple there, just so you can cover your skin, like if you have short pants, because you know it's disrespectful for the culture. So every tourist has to cover themselves up. And yeah, then we just walked there and enjoyed ourselves.
Mm-mm.
It was amazing. But our craving for waterfalls wasn't satisfied yet, so we went to another waterfall that day. It was
Tangku Waterfall.
Tangku Waterfall. I remember it was secret waterfall on Google Maps or something. We had high expectations. The images looked pretty cool on Google Maps. So, but when our drove us there, it was already kind of sketchy area. We found some cute little girls there, like, who wanted to talk to us.
And they give me flower.
Yeah, they gave only me flowers, not her, and she was kind of jealous.
One of them gave me one.
Okay, she was jealous. Are you jealous because the sweet little girls gave me 2 flowers and you only 1?
Look, they gave Julian 3. They give me 1. A woman.
She's just jealous. Hello.
See you later. Say it, babe.
See you later. Yeah, but the descent down there, the hike down there, it was kind of sketchy. It was slippery. It was steep. And
go down and meet my friends.
Your friends? What about your friends? Oh yeah, we met cows there. I totally forgot. When we went down there, we passed some cows. And yeah, kind of scary. Like, I was kind of scared. I don't know why. Walking through some random cows, but they did nothing except moving and looking. Where is it? Yeah, this is fishy, to be honest. That there's no sign.
No sign like waterfall.
But maybe it's absolutely worth it because nobody ever goes there and it's magical as fuck. But yeah, when we were down there, the way was kind of sketchy. This is a very sketchy hike, but it's cool. Oh wow, bamboo tree. Vamos. And at one point, it was like there was like some makeshift construction out of loose rocks and some like metal bars, wires sticking out. Like it was totally slippy as well. It was like a small waterfall on the side. I don't know. No, there's one waterfall on the left. We can continue to walk there. No, man.
And I said no. And also it's already 5 p.m.
Yeah.
It's almost 6 p.m. and then it's a little bit scary and it's already dark. And I said, we're back home.
Yeah. It was, we just decided, no, it's not worth it. It looks very slippery, dangerous. Also, it's getting dark. You don't want to walk here? So we didn't really reach the main waterfall and we just turned around, walked back up disappointed and just called it a day, to be honest. But yeah, I don't know if other people have different experiences with this waterfall, but for us, like, it also seemed like this was like some kind of new maintenance construction thing, but too sketchy.
The lady said, I'm sorry, but because the way to the waterfall is not really good today.
Yeah, so I think she implied that it is under maintenance, but of course she didn't tell us that when we paid the entrance fee, but it is what it is. So we turned around disappointed and I think we called it a day. Maybe these were like the umbrellas when you were a child in the jungle.
When it's rain and we don't have umbrella, we use this as an umbrella like this.
That's so cool. How was the waterfall day, babe?
Waterfall number 1 is great. Waterfall number 2 is okay, and number 3 is
Number 3 sucked. It wasn't really a waterfall. It was also very dangerous. And yeah, but our driver was nice. And yeah, I don't know. Okay, oh no, we're gonna chill in the pool maybe a bit. And chill in the house. And then we go somewhere to eat maybe. Yes. After this debacle of a waterfall, we just went to the Alam Ubud Residence Villa, ate in the restaurant there, and chilled and just called it a day.
yes, sir.
Maybe jumped into the pool.
And eating.
Yeah, and ate in the restaurant, right? And planned our next day in Ubud. And if you want to join us on our next adventure, just continue watching our next video and subscribe for more.
Bye.
Bye bye. This is just wild. Osama and Obama. Why?